In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change author on Shopify blog 5 minutes. If you manage a blog on your store, attributing posts to the right person helps with credibility, voice, and organization. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the author setting in Shopify and how to switch it quickly with a few helpful tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open your Shopify admin. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular store login and head to the main dashboard. You'll be working entirely in the admin, so there's nothing to change in your theme code for this update. On the left sidebar, click Content. This area houses your media, blog posts and pages, and it's where Shopify keeps the blogging tools. From here, select blog posts. You'll see a list of all your posts, whether published or drafts. Next, choose the post you want to update. Click the post title to open the editor. This takes you to the post details screen where you can edit the content, adjust visibility, and manage settings related to how the post appears on your storefront. Look to the right hand side of the editor for a panel labeled Organization. This section controls key metadata for the post, such as which blog it belongs to, tags, and the author. Find the author field and click it. A drop down will appear with the existing authors available for your store. Select the author you want to assign to this post. As soon as you make the selection, Shopify updates the post's attribution. When you publish or update the post, your storefront will display the new author, depending on how your theme shows author information. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. The author list is usually pulled from your store's staff or profile users. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may need to be added as a staff member or have appropriate permissions in your store. Also, the display name comes from that user's profile, so make sure it's set the way you want visitors to see it. If you manage multiple blogs within the same store, double check you're editing the correct post under the correct blog, since author settings are set per post. Finally, some themes choose to hide authors by default. The change still applies in Shopify, but whether it shows on the storefront depends on your theme's settings. And that's it. You've opened your Shopify admin, navigated to content and blog posts, selected the post, gone into organization and changed the author. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching and happy publishing.